Okay, in today's video, we're going to take another look at REGN. Now, a while back, I did see quite a bit of support in this one that we were finding from taking these prior declines within the downtrend, actually. And we did get a nice little bounce off of that area. But in order for me to get excited about the buy side, I wanted to see it take out the bearish symmetry of this declining swing. And it did not do that, okay? Unless we had done that, you can't really get excited about the buy side. So once again, we did end up getting another extension to the downside instead because we were unable to clear this resistance. So the next question is, well, where's the next area where we might run into some support? Well, first of all, we just met at least two targets on the downside as far as the 1272 and 1618 extensions of this prior swing. Okay, and many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings. But what we did last time, we're gonna watch again. We're just gonna run the same work. So we're gonna take these prior declines of, $84, 79 bucks, 82 bucks, 79, 82, and then there's actually a smaller one in here that was about 66 bucks, and project those all from the most recent high. Now that's going to give us an area where we might see at least a tradable bounce. Okay. The top end of that zone comes in at 285.61, but the standout zone actually comes in at 268.18 to 273.57, and that's mostly from projecting those slightly larger swings from this high over here that was made in March. So I'm going to anticipate a possible reversal in this one, but you have to remember in this case it is absolutely a counter trend trade. You don't have any of the moving averages on your side. It's just a natural place where, a move would tend to terminate, okay? And once again, I cannot get excited about the buy side unless we start to rally for more than all these prior rally swings. And these are pretty large swings. I mean, you've got one, this was 43 bucks, 46 bucks, 50 bucks, 37, 43, and so on. So we're going to keep an eye on that, at least for short-term low, but then if it does start to bounce, I'm going to run all of these prior rally swings from the new low so that you know where the resistance comes in, which means where it could fail, or what it needs to clear if it is indeed a more important low. We're just not seeing it yet, so you have to be patient. We didn't get, the signs from, clearing the resistance. Same thing in Celgene. Celgene started to look a little bit better because we did have we started to see a little bit more of a pattern of higher highs and higher lows from this last low, but yet we could not clear the symmetry resistance that came in at the 93.36 area. So this one, I don't have anything for you at the moment, but it's one where I'll continue to watch the symmetry, and unless we can break the bearish symmetry of this declining swing, I can't get excited about the buy side. So I was wrong about those, bottoming at that point. But as far as watching the parameters would have kept you safe. It's just not quite time yet.